Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, question 3. The question is actually long, but we can just take a look at sub-question A first. Sub-question A says that suppose that U.S. products did decline in relative quality during the 1980s. How did this affect net exports at any given exchange rate? So to answer question A, we just have to think about it intuitively. As a consumer yourself, if you know that a US product is going to decline in quality, say you buy an iPhone from Apple Store, but this iPhone is very bad in quality. It disconnect in every 5 minutes, and it does not connect to Wi-Fi. So would you still like to purchase this item? No. So this decline of quality in any kind of product is going to make consumers less willing to consume American goods. So the net export is going to decline. So at any given exchange rate, the net export is going to decline because the export is not going to be as high as it used to be since the demand abroad is lower. Okay, and after question A, we can answer question B. Draw a three-panel diagram to show the effect of this shift in net export on the US real exchange rate and trade balance. So I already have the basic diagram here. So now we know that from question A, we know that the net export is going to decline, right, at any given exchange rate. That means that this downward sloping curve here, which is the demand for the demand for dollars in this market is going to shift to the left, because at every level of exchange rate, which is at every horizontal line here, this demand curve is going to be smaller. So it is going to be to the left of the original curve. So here, I'm sorry, so I will just shift it a little bit to the left. So how is this effect going to change the real exchange rate? So the old equilibrium is the blue dot here, and the new dot is now the red, and the new equilibrium is now the red dot here. So we know that the exchange rate is going down. All right, question C. Is the claim in the popular press consistent with the model in this chapter? So what is the common press in agree with? We have to go back to question 3, and it says that, so the popular press says that the increased trade deficit resulted from a decline in the quality of US products relative to foreign products. So I would say that the common sense from the press is actually not true, because the trade deficit is actually the same level as it used to be, right? Because we know that the net capital outflow does not change. So at the equilibrium, the quantity of trade surplus does not change. It is only what change is only the exchange rate. So this decline of quality of US goods is not going to affect the trade deficit.